Here's a PayPal dashboard of how much has been earned with this particular money-making opportunity. And the best part about this is you do not need a huge following to start. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to show your face. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make thousands of dollars and start immediately with Pinterest affiliate marketing. You see, Pinterest isn't just a social media platform. It is a search engine. So by promoting affiliate products through Pinterest, you can earn commissions every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. And trust me, when you do it right, the money adds up fast. And in the next part of this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can do this so you can do it rightly. The reason we are leveraging on Pinterest is because Pinterest is known to have over 500 million monthly active users globally. And most of these people are actively looking for ideas and solutions, whether it's fitness tips, beauty hacks, or even best tools for small businesses. And because Pinterest is a search engine, Pinterest pins have a much longer lifespan than posts on any other social media platform, which means that a pin that you make can keep driving traffic to your affiliate link, which makes it passive income. Now, you need to know what exactly is trending in order for you to leverage and get the most out of Pinterest affiliate marketing. And one way to do that is to easily use the Pinterest search bar. So if you click on the Pinterest search bar, you can see recent searches that is from you. You can see popular on Pinterest, which is what people have been searching for or what has been known to be gaining traction in this period. Another way to find what is trending on Pinterest is by simply going to trends.pinterest.com. That way you can have an overview on what keywords are trending. For example, you can see Valentine gift, Valentine nails. Of course, this is actually Valentine period, so obviously that will be trending, but overall you can see that the beauty niche is trending. You can see nails, you can see hair and the likes. So now once you have gotten your niche, the next step you want to do is simply join an affiliate program. Now there are tons of affiliate programs out there, so you want to go ahead, do some research and find one that aligns with your niche. I've actually made a video on how to get started with Timo affiliate program. So I will just be attaching this particular video to the end of this one. So you want to go ahead and check that out. I would also be leaving the link where you can click and sign up for the Timo affiliate program. So once you're approved and you get your affiliate links, those are the links you will be promoting on Pinterest. Now, the next step is content. Now, the key to success on Pinterest is creating pins that grab attention and drive clicks. You do not even have to be a graphic designer to do this. You can leverage on tools like Canva to create professional looking pins. And we will be looking at that in a moment. I will be showing you how you can do that. So let's say we are going into the beauty niche and we want to create pins with regards to Valentine, most particularly Valentine nails. What we want to do is we want to create a content to promote Valentine Day. So once we've gotten into the Timo affiliate program, we can simply come over to the hot items where we can pick our affiliate links for this product. So let's say we want to promote this particular Valentine nails, for example, we can simply click on share and we will be able to get our link for this product. But first of all, we want to head over to Canva and create our pins. So you want to simply go to Canva and simply type Pinterest nails, just for it to give us a template that would require almost little to no editing. I kind of like this one, so I'm going to click on it and we're going to go ahead and customize this. Now, we want to edit it, so we want to take photos from what Timo has shared. So I have already downloaded the nails offline, so I'm just going to be adding it here. We want to simply go to upload. I want to upload the files. So now we simply want to be replacing these pictures with our own pictures. So we can delete this one here, its image, and we replace it with this one here. We can move it closer just to have the nails more visible. We also do for this one, we want to zoom it in. We want more of the nails to be visible. Delete, and we want to add this one here. We zoom in the nails. Also this one, we take it out and we put in this one here. So now you can see that our pin is almost ready. And we just want to tweak the background because it's Valentine, so the background should be given reddish. So we may just want to search Valentine background, click on it and place the background. Then we can take out all these flowers here. We can simply just tweak it here and say Valentine nail inspiration. We want to change the color so it's looking Valentine-ish. And you can see that we've simply created a pin. Now for this part, you want to take some extra time in creating pins, because the more effort you put and the more attractive you try to make your pins, the more it will attract people to want to check your pins and eventually click your links. You want to save this by simply clicking share and download. So now that our pin is ready, it is time to upload it to Pinterest. So you can see choose a file or drag and drop here. So we want to simply choose a file and we want to enter it here. Now, your title, your description, the keywords you put will determine how well your pins will be visible to people. So now that we have written our description, remember, like I said, you want to put in more effort in doing this. Make sure it's more detailed and has more relevant keywords. You can simply create a board. If you want to choose a board, this is a board I had created before and I can just use it. If you do not have a board you've created before, you can simply create a board. It takes less than a minute, easy peasy. Of course, you want to tag it here. So you want to put in as relevant tags as possible. Now, once you are done, you want to simply click on publish. Now you can see that your pin has been published and you can easily view it. So you can see the posts here. So anybody who searches Valentine nail art inspiration, this is how your post would look like to them. Now, I know you may be wondering now that where exactly are you going to put your links, because I didn't add the link to the pins. You do not want to add your pins directly to your post so it doesn't seem spammy and so that you do not have any issues with your Pinterest account. So instead of putting your links in your pins, what you want to do is simply go over to your profile. You want to edit your profile and simply add your link here as your website. Since you will be promoting several pins, you want to create like a Linktree shop where you can have all those affiliate links. And once people click on your Linktree shop, each of those products that they see, whenever they click it, it will take them over to whatever page on Temu where they can obviously pay, and then you get a commission. So now, to maximize your earnings, you need to be consistent. You need to post pins regularly. I would recommend you put at least 10 to 15 pins per day. And you can track your performance with Pinterest analytics and see which pins are getting the most click, and of course, double down on those pins. Once you start gaining traction, people start clicking your links and you start getting commissions, your commissions are going to appear here. And from here, you can simply click to withdraw either to PayPal or as Temu credit. I would prefer PayPal. So you need to have a working PayPal that can send and receive money. However, the minimum amount to withdraw is $20. I think this is a very small cap and is very easy to attain. Now, if you follow these steps just the way I have showed you, you will be well on your way to making thousands of dollars per week with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I remember that this doesn't happen overnight, but you need to be consistent, you need to be dedicated, and of course, you need to use the appropriate strategy, which I have just reviewed to you in this video. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more tips, and make sure to hit the notification bell icon so when I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. If you are interested on the step-by-step process on how to sign up on Temu affiliate marketing program and get your links and what it is all about, as well as the commission rates, then you can click on the screen here and check that out.